As global industries evolve, the demand for durable and efficient slurry pumps continues to rise. At CNSME, we are not just keeping pace. We are shaping partnerships that thrive. CNSME is dedicated to precision engineering and robust quality. Our in-house laboratory and rigorous testing ensure that every pump exceeds industry standards, providing you with a product you can trust. By partnering with CNSME, you gain access to our extensive inventory and rapid delivery system. Our success depends on the success of our partners. We offer a flexible partnership model to benefit both parties. By choosing CNSME, you are not just getting a product, you are joining a community of success. Ready to take your business to the next level with CNSME?